This video will help you find your hat size and get a custom fit. To find your hat size before you order, use a measuring tape to find the circumference of your head in centimeters. Measure your head in the same place you wear your hat. GG Pip hats come in 4 sizes: 55 extra small, 57 small medium, 59 medium large, and 61 extra large. Some styles are available in kid sizing in 53 centimeters. Once you have your hat, there are 2 methods to find a custom fit. To tighten the fit of your hat around your entire head, use our adjustable inner band. Just flip up the sweatband to find the Velcro tab and pull to tighten. Velcro back in place to secure. You'll find that depending on the shape of your hat, you may need to tighten your hat in specific places. In this case, we recommend using our hat sizing tape. Simply remove the sticker from the tape and apply the adhesive side to the inside of the sweatband. Apply in the place you would like a tighter fit. To see our entire collection of hats, check out www.ggpip.com. And for more styling inspiration, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest.